Hello everyone! Welcome to Anna's channel. Let's draw a cute Christmas cookie jar together.
So grab your pencils and let's get drawing together. First, we'll start by drawing a pretty little bow. Draw the left loop first, make it nice and round, then draw the right loop and connect them with a cute knot in the center. Now, draw the ribbon tails hanging down, soft and wavy. Perfect! Next, let's draw the fabric that covers the top of the jar. It looks a bit like a little tablecloth sitting on top, doesn't it? Make it wavy at the edges so it feels soft and flowing. Now, on top of that, draw a big oval. This will be the mouth of the jar. Then, draw the outline of the jar's body. Round and smooth like a big glass bubble full of treats. We don't want any broken cookies in there, right? Okay, the shape looks great. Now let's fill it with cookies. Let's start right in the center with the famous one, the Gingerbread Man cookie. He's a classic. Draw a round head, 2 small arms, and 2 short legs. Add little circles for buttons, tiny eyes, and a big smiling mouth. This guy looks like he's ready to jump out of the jar and dance. Now, in the upper left corner, let's draw a bell-shaped cookie with a tiny bow on it. This one rings happiness. Next, above the gingerbread man, draw a cookie with a snowflake design inside. Wow, that looks fancy! Now let's go down to the bottom right. We'll draw a small Christmas tree cookie. Give it a few cute dots for ornaments, and don't forget a tiny star on top. Below the gingerbread man, draw a star-shaped cookie. Inside that star, let's draw a snowflake again. It looks magical. Next, let's add a few more cookies. Some round, some shaped like flowers, filling all the spaces around the jar. On the right side, draw a candy cane cookie with a small bow. You can almost hear it saying, "Pick me first!" Now keep adding cookies here and there until your jar looks deliciously full. At the top right corner, add one more round cookie. Perfect! And there we go! We finished the outline of our Christmas cookie jar. It already looks so cute. Now it's coloring time. Get your main colors ready: pink, brown, yellow, green, red, and white. We'll start by coloring the lid pink. Don't forget to color the bow too. Next, color the cookies inside. Each cookie can have its own style. Golden brown for the gingerbread, green for the tree, maybe some red dots or white icing. And while you color, let's talk about some fun facts that will make you see Christmas cookies in a whole new way. All right, get ready, because some of these facts might actually blow your frosting off. Did you know that the very first gingerbread cookies weren't even made for eating? Wait, what? Yes, they were used as decorations in festivals and fairs. People use them to decorate trees, windows, and even walls. So technically, your drawing is not just art, it's historically accurate art. But that's not all. Gingerbread cookies go way back, over 500 years. In the 16th century, Queen Elizabeth I of England had her royal bakers make gingerbread cookies shaped like her guests. Imagine showing up for tea and finding a cookie shaped exactly like your face on the plate. Creepy or delicious? You decide. Now, let's talk about the smell. That cozy, spicy smell of ginger and cinnamon. It wasn't just about taste. People believed that those spices could actually chase away evil spirits during winter. So basically, every time you bake cookies, you're performing ancient cookie magic. Here's another fun one. Did you know that gingerbread men have their own celebrity scandal? In 2009, someone baked the world's largest gingerbread man. He weighed over 1,400 pounds. That's heavier than a small car. If he came to life, he'd definitely need his own Christmas movie. But why do people give cookies at Christmas? Let's go back in time, before big malls and shiny wrapping paper, when people made gifts with love. Cookies were simple, homemade, and smelled amazing. So families would bake together, decorate cookies, and share them with friends and neighbors. That's how the tradition of giving cookies began. A warm, tasty way to say, I care about you. Okay, here's a sweet shocker. Leaving cookies and milk for Santa? That tradition started during the Great Depression. Families didn't have much, but parents wanted to teach their kids to be thankful. So they told them to leave a small snack for Santa as a way of saying thank you. And now, Santa probably eats billions of cookies every Christmas Eve. I don't know how he still fits down the chimney. Let's move on to the candy cane. Why is it shaped like a hook? Well, a long time ago in Germany, a choir master wanted to keep children quiet during church service. So he asked a candy maker to make sugar sticks shaped like a shepherd's staff, the same kind carried by shepherds in the Christmas story. So that's how the candy cane got its curve. So basically, it started as a candy with a mission, to keep kids from talking. Spoiler, it didn't work. And those red and white stripes? They weren't always there. Originally, candy canes were all white. The color stripes were added later to make them look more festive. Some people say the red stands for love and the white for purity, but let's be honest, it just looks more Instagram ready. Now, let's zoom back to the cookies in our jar. The star-shaped ones aren't just pretty, they're full of meaning. The star represents the Star of Bethlehem, which guided the wise men to baby Jesus. That's why stars are everywhere at Christmas, on trees, cards, and even cookies. It's like the universe's original GPS. And the Christmas tree cookie, that comes from Germany too. People used to decorate real trees with fruits, nuts, and cookies. Later, they switched to ornaments and lights, but cookies were there first. So your tree-shaped cookie is basically the ancestor of all Christmas decorations. Here's a fact that will make you laugh. The first cookie jars appeared in the 1930s in the United States. Before that, people just used tins or boxes. Then someone decided, hey, why not make a jar shaped like a pig or a snowman or Santa? And boom, cookie jars became a collectible craze. Some vintage cookie jars today are worth thousands of dollars. So maybe don't eat all your cookies. One of them could be your future treasure. Now, here's something really fun. In Norway, families bake 7 different kinds of cookies for Christmas. Not 6, not 8, exactly 7. No one knows exactly why, but they believe 7 brings good luck and sweetness for the whole year. Can you imagine 7 jars like this one? That's cookie heaven. And here's a mystery you probably never thought about. Why are Christmas cookies often brown or golden? It's not just the baking. Historically, brown foods were considered warming during the winter, both for the stomach and the soul. So when you look at your golden cookies, they're literally baked happiness. Okay, brace yourself for another surprising fact. Some people actually decorate fake cookies just for display. They use clay, salt dough, or resin to make them look real. So if you ever see a cookie that looks too perfect to eat, it probably is. That's cookie art, not cookie snack. Now here's one last fun twist. In some parts of the world, instead of cookies, kids leave hay and carrots for Santa's reindeer. Which honestly sounds like Santa's on a diet and the reindeer get all the healthy snacks. If I was Santa, I'd be jealous. All right, are you done coloring? Look at that! Your jar looks so bright and festive. The pink lid, the colorful cookies, the little candy cane with its bow. It's like Christmas trapped inside a jar. You did an amazing job today, drawing, coloring, and learning all those fun, silly, and surprising cookie facts. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, and may your holidays be as sweet as this cookie jar.